If you're still opening fresh chat windows and manually pasting project context, design rules, and brand tone, stop doing this right now. You waste time every day setting the conversation up itself, only for the AI model to forget the instructions you have set for it, leaving you no choice than to re-explain the same rules over and over again. This fragments your focus and can slow down your entire workflow completely. Before, relying on chat memory was what we used to do, treating every new tab like a blank state. But now, we create persistent system environment. By setting up instructions, the AI retains our role context and output guidelines, guaranteeing us a better result. You open a blank page, type a single line, and get instant answers. So for this demonstration, I am going to show you how to set up your persistent system environment with Claude project and ChatGPT project. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser and type in the link chatgpt.com. So chatgpt.com is the link we're going to type in, and then ChatGPT will open, and next we are going to click on the project icon, which is just going to open now. We click on the plus icon and we create our project. So let's do that. Click the plus icon. Type your project name, which can be anything. For me, it will be AI email progress. This is a project. For example, if you want ChatGPT to create emails for you and you don't want to open chat upon chat just for one simple email, so I'll create project and it will take me to the project UI, and you're thinking, how do I set the instructions? So you open these three dots here and a pop-up will show. You select project settings, another pop-up will come up and you see project name, instructions, memory, library access, and delete project. So we are going to start from instructions. You can choose any instruction. This instruction is for the AI to adapt to the environment, and always use this instruction whenever generating an email, because this project is about email. Whatever your project is, the instruction really matters, because that is what the AI uses as a reference to generate your answers for you. So I'm not going to paste my instruction, which I already have. Alright, I'm going to go to the top of this instruction, and you see, first of all, I defined the role and goal. The role and goal is actually what the AI is supposed to accomplish and who the AI is, who I expect ChatGPT is to be. Who I expect ChatGPT to be. So the second thing is the core responsibilities, what you're meant to do: drafting, summarizing, formatting. And then the third one, tone and style guidelines. This is how it should sound, how it should generate the output. This can also be the output guideline, just like I told you earlier. And then the structure, and other things, the output format preferences, how you want the output to be. So this instruction is really helpful for ChatGPT, the AI model, to generate your answers for you. The default memory, we're just going to use default memory. This project can access memory from outside chat and vice versa. But if you want the memory, the personalization to be from your project only, you can select this one over here. But for this demonstration, I'm using the default memory. And the library access is already enabled, and we click save. So right now we have set up our persistent system environment. So you can test your environment, and we are going to go into the next AI model, Claude AI. So we are in Claude.ai, which is the link here, a very simple link, https claude.ai/new. that is for a new chat. Okay, this is just going to reload, and we have this user interface. Back at it, Louis then, right, that's my name, you already know that. And we are going to go to projects, just like ChatGPT does, and we are going to create new project what are you working on. You type your project name, and I'm just going to select AI email progress as well. And what are you trying to achieve? I want to upgrade my email workflow because that's what I want to do. So I'm going to click create project, and Claude will create the project for me in under 5 seconds, and it's here already. So I want to configure the settings and the instructions. I'm just going to click on these 3 dots over here and edit the details. Alright, so that's not for the instructions. We see the instructions here. Add instructions to tailor Claude's responses, as you can see here. So I'm going to click plus, and you can paste in the instruction here. I'm gonna paste in the same instruction from the last project I created with ChatGPT, which I already told you. I defined the role and the goal, the core responsibilities, tone and style guidelines, and also other things like the output structure. Alright, so I'm going to save instructions, and the instruction is there. Alright, so the memory, project memory, will show you after a few chats. So I'm going to click on this to see what this means, and the memory can only be accessed by me. So if you want the AI model to adhere to any context, or you want it to be RAG based, that is retrieval augmented generation, you can just click the plus icon and upload from device, add text context, or GitHub account or profile with the repository. So yeah, this is how to create a project with Claude and configure the settings. So I'm just going to test this right now because we have time. I'm going to say write an email to Grok AI asking them why El Llama was decommissioned. Good. So this is an email that I want to generate with Claude using Claude Project, a persistent system environment. Right. So if I didn't put the instructions and create a project, it's just going to give me answers I don't like, and then I have to open a new chat, type in a fresh prompt, and like that it goes on, wasting time and killing productivity. So quick flag before I drop this: Grok is made by XAI and El Llama is Metal's model family. So this mix-up will make the email confusing for evaluators. Alright, so it has given me a couple of ways I should. So this is just great for making your workflows better. So this is what you should do, and stop spending much time opening fresh chat windows. Spending 2 minutes every day setting up project guidelines or system environments prevents redundant keystrokes and constant follow-up from when you feel that you are not satisfied with the result it has given you. So stop opening new chat windows and trying to paste the same prompts. If this saved you time, like this video, let me know your persistent prompt trick in the comments below, and subscribe to Tech with Them for more.